All right, there is a new virtual health platform that is aiming to help with pandemic burnout. This morning, we've got Dr. Rachel Evadu joining us with some tips and tricks on how to feel better while being stuck at home. Good morning, Dr. Rachel.
Good morning. How are you? Thanks for having me.
We are doing well. Now, before we talk about the new online platform that you started, I'm sure you and all of your physicians at that platform dealing with a lot of pandemic burnout. Can you tell us some of the signs that you are seeing or signs that we should look out for during a pandemic burnout?
Absolutely. So I think that the pandemic has really affected all of us, nationwide, around the world in different ways. But pandemic burnout is a very real thing, and we need to be paying attention to it and also taking action to mitigate it or correct it. So some of the things you might want to watch out for are sleep issues, feeling exhausted, feeling defeated, or a lack of caring. Also a decrease in self-care, decreased emotional well-being. And this is a big one here, overindulging in food and or alcohol. And this last one we're seeing quite a bit, which is giving up on safety precautions. So while we might be done with the pandemic is not over, and it's important for us to continue following those safety precautions.
Right, and a lot of, with folks staying home now, we're hearing stories that people are not stepping into the doctor's office, or they're sort of waiting for things to settle down before they go out and get help. I mean, what type of ways or what's advice that you would give to people at home to, I guess, get themselves feeling better or get themselves on a better track?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, definitely don't hesitate to get support. There's platforms like Modi Health where you can get online care. So if you need support, definitely reach out. Get help with a mental health professional or an integrative life coach, really getting that support, or speaking to a loved one. But there's also some simple steps that you can take at home. You can really give yourself permission to process what's been going on the last year. A lot of us have been so focused on making it through, getting through it, being strong, right? But we've got to give ourselves permission to process, to grieve, to deal with the transition. So that's really important. And then also practicing mindfulness, treating yourself gently, and really increasing self-care in ways that feel helpful to you. And another thing is get yourself outdoors and move your body. Exercise is so helpful to reduce stress. Also, safe social distancing and social gatherings are really important. Stay social, stay connected.
I know, Dr. Rachel, you and your other co-founder started Modi Health. Tell us quickly about that platform and how it's helping people from across the nation get the help and the advice that they really need during this time.
Absolutely. So we had a vision of creating a platform where people could come and get any type of virtual care, from seeing a traditional doctor to a mental health practitioner to holistic practitioners, functional medicine, life coaches, health coaches, as well as take health programs and also subscribe to a health membership streaming service. So it's really one-stop shop for virtual care, getting all of your health and well-being needs met under one virtual roof.
Fantastic. And the website again for that online platform, if anyone is interested to speak to you or possibly any of the physicians?
Yeah, sure. That is Modi, MODI, ht.com.
All right, fantastic. Dr. Rachel, we appreciate you being on our show and giving us those helpful tips as we all get through this pandemic together. We appreciate it.
Thank you. My pleasure.
All right, thank you.